Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to make a video call to a group member on WhatsApp using the desktop app. This new update makes staying connected with your group members easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp desktop app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to WhatsApp's official website to download and set it up. Once you've launched the app, ensure you're logged in by scanning the QR code with your phone. Next, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various icons. Click on the phone icon, which represents the Calls section. This will bring up a list of your recent calls and groups under the Recent section. Now, locate the group that contains the member you want to video call. Once you find it, click on the group to expand its details and view its members. Here's the key step. Find the specific member within the group that you want to call. Next to their name, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is the options menu. Click on these dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Video Call. That's it. Your video call will begin, connecting you directly to that group member. Make sure your PC has a working microphone and camera for a smooth experience. With this new feature, WhatsApp makes communication more seamless and accessible. Whether for work or catching up with friends, this tool is perfect for staying connected from your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.